motor are playing a vital role in our society, and what is the function of the electric motors. First of all, electric motors which works as they convert the electrical energy into the mechanical energy, and so it is defined as the process in which electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. So we can use this in the mechanic system or mechanic form. Electric motors is a device which convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy, and there are main two types of the electric motors. The device electric motors which having the two main types as the DC motor and AC motor. DC mean direct current, AC mean alternated current. DC motors are the devices or are the part or the type of the DC or the type of the electric motors which are worked by the direct current, as well as AC motors are the type of the electric motor which are worked by the alternating current. So these are both main and variable type of the electric motor. Electric motors which are playing a vital role in our society because they provides us our needed things for our life. Electric motors which work on the electricity, so we can say that the electric motor is a new emerging and advanced technology in our world, and playing a vital role. There are many key features of the electric motors, as there is availability of rotator, there is the availability of coils are available in the motors, and on the other hand there is rotator which rotates the electrical energy into the mechanical energy, while that the coil which works as in circular form for the production of mechanical energy. So we can say that electric motor are playing a vital role in our society. Due to this one, we can call them as a new emerging and advanced technologies. There are many benefits of the electric motors, as they are the it is responsible for the production of mechanical energy. It is responsible for the production of mechanical energy and their sources. It is the easy way for the for the production of our needy things. So we can say that it is playing a vital role in our society by their production. Electric motors which are the new emerging and technologies, and in rural areas and as well as on the other hand in city areas, they are available in different types, but work on the electricity. Due to this one, we can call them as the new emerging and advanced technology in tech world. And electric motors which work on the electricity, there are many types of electric motors, as some electric motors are very cheap. On the other hand, some electric motors are very expensive electric motors require little current, as well as cheap electric motors require many current. Due to this one, the bill of the month increases due to the cheap motor, while that on the other hand the working of expensive motors which less our bill of our month. Due to this one, we use the expensive motor which is new emerging and advanced technology.